Hello children. Now today I'm going to show you subtraction, how subtraction is done. Simple way of subtraction is we are going to see it today. Okay. Now before that, let us see what are the terms that are generally used for subtraction. Subtract, minus, take away, deduct, difference, decrease. These are some of the terms that we generally use for subtraction. Now I'll show you method of subtraction, how we can do subtraction. Yes, now you can see here subtract. This term is for subtraction and you can see the symbol of subtraction too. Subtract 97 minus 43. Okay, now these are two-digit numbers. So what we will do? We will write two digits, places of two digits, and then write the number below them and start our subtraction. Okay, now here 97 minus 43. First of all, let us write the places ones and tens place. Now 97 minus 43. In subtraction, you have to write the larger number first. Subtraction, you cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So always remember, in subtraction the bigger number is written first and the smaller number is written below that. Subtraction में larger number पहले लिखा जाता है और smaller number उसके नीचे लिख के subtraction किया जाता है. Okay, now the larger number here is 97. In that 7 is at ones place and 9 is at tens place. So below ones place we will write 7 and below tens place we will write 9. Okay, we will put the symbol of subtraction and then the smaller number below its places. In ones place the number is 3 and in tens place the number is 4. So here at ones place we will write 3 and at tens place we will write 4. Okay, now we will start our subtraction. It is best to do the subtraction using backward counting method. Okay, when you do your subtraction using backward counting method, the chances of getting mistakes is lowered. बहुत कम हो जाते हैं chances कि आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो आप गलत कर दो. सो बेटर आप सब्ट्रैक्शन बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग से करो. 7 minus 3. You will start your counting of backward counting after 7 and you will go up to 3. You can do it on your fingers. Here to show you I am doing it using standing lines. Okay, but आप इसे अपने fingers पे भी कर सकते हो. After 7 I am starting my backward counting and I will go up to 3. Okay, after 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. So how many standing lines did I get? You can do it on your fingers also. Okay, now how many standing lines did I get? 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 standing lines. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Same like that at tens place, 9 minus 4. In subtraction also you are supposed to start from ones place. Whether it is addition or subtraction, it starts from ones place only. Okay. Now coming to tens place. After we have done subtraction at ones place, we will come to tens place. Coming to tens place, 9 minus 4. So what we will do? After 9 we will start our backward counting and we will come up to 4. We can do it on our fingers or here I am making standing lines to count it. Okay. After 9 I am starting and I will come up to 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Did you get this, children? We have to subtract 97 minus 43. These are two-digit numbers. So I wrote these two-digit numbers. I marked two places, ones and tens places, and wrote the larger number first. Then I have put the subtraction symbol and then the smaller number. Then I started my subtraction. 7 minus 3, it came out to be 4, and 9 minus 4, it came out to be 5. I have done here subtraction using backward counting. In the same way, I'll show you two more questions so that you will get this method properly. Okay. Now here see this question. Find the difference between 23 and 65. Here difference word says that you have to subtract. Okay, difference is a word that is used for subtraction. And always remember, in subtraction, the larger number is written first and the smaller one is written below it. Okay, here the larger number is 65 and the smaller one is 23. So let us find the difference. First, what we'll do, we will mark the places ones and tens. Then we will write the larger number first, 65. Then the smaller one, putting the subtraction symbol 23. In 65, 5 is at ones place, so I wrote it at ones place, and 6 is at tens place, so I wrote it at tens place. Same like that in 23, 3 is at ones place, I wrote it below ones place, and 2 is at tens place, I wrote it below tens place. Now we will subtract, and we are going to subtract it using backward counting method. Okay, so in ones place, 5 minus 3. What we will do? After 5 we will start our subtraction and we will come up to 3. We will start our backward counting after 5 and come up to 3. You can do it on fingers or you can make lines and do. After 5, 4 and 3. So how many lines did I get? 2. Or how many fingers we can get? 2. Next, coming to tens place, 6 minus 2. After 6, I will start my backward counting and I will come up to 2. Can be done on fingers or using lines. Here, I am showing you using lines. After 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, after 6, I started my backward counting and I came up to 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, this is how we can do simple subtraction using backward counting. Let us see one more question of this type. How much is 15 taken away from 46? Taken away. Here this word taken away means you have to subtract. Okay, how much is 15 taken away from 46? Again here we have to subtract, and what we have to subtract? I have told you the larger number is written first and the smaller one below it, and then the process of subtraction is started. Okay, these are two-digit numbers, so we will mark two places, ones and tens. The larger number here is 46. So 6 at ones place and 4 at tens place, putting subtraction symbol. And the smaller number here is 15. 5 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Now we will start our subtraction. Whether it is addition or subtraction, you should always remember this. Addition and subtraction starts from ones place. Whether it is addition or subtraction, you will start it from ones place. Okay, 6 minus 5. After 6, I'll start my backward counting and I'll come up to 5. Can be done on fingers or using lines. 6 minus 5, after 6 it is 5. Okay, in backward counting after 6 it is 5. So how much is there? 6 minus 5 is 1. Same like that, 4 minus 1. After 4 I'll start my backward counting and come up to 1. After 4 it is 3, 2 and 1. 3, 2, 1. After 4, I started my backward counting and I came up to 1. Now let us count how many standing lines are there. 1, 2 and 3. 3 standing lines. Okay. So how much is 15 taken away from 46? It is 31. I hope you have understood this simple subtraction using backward counting. Try these in your notebook and understand it in a better manner. Do some more questions too and verify your answers. Thank you.